A luxury cruise ship hit by a deadly hantavirus outbreak is now headed to Spain's Canary Islands after spending 5 days stranded off the coast of Cape Verde.
3 passengers have died, and growing concerns about the virus are now sparking global health alerts. The Alabama Department of Public Health says it hasn't been notified of any hantavirus cases involving Alabamians at this time, and currently there are no confirmed cases in the U.S.
We have team coverage this evening regarding the deadly outbreak. Washington correspondent Amy Liu is going to be joining us in just a few minutes live, looking into how U.S. health officials are responding and what people should know about the virus. Right here in Jefferson County, health officials say that they're giving out more flu shots due to the hantavirus outbreak.
WVTM 13's Bryce Oslin spoke with them about the virus and how they're educating people on the illness.
I think the important thing to note with the hantavirus outbreak that's occurred on this cruise ship is that it's a very limited incidence.
Health officials from at least 5 states are monitoring residents who return from a cruise with the hantavirus outbreak.
I want to say emphatically, I do not think that this is going to be the next COVID-19 pandemic by any stretch of the imagination.
Here in Jefferson County, health experts say the virus isn't on their radar.
So far, no real effect from this occurring here in Alabama or really in the southeast.
Although flu numbers are declining in Jefferson County, I spoke with the local pharmacist off camera who says he's seen an increase of people worried about the hantavirus getting shots to protect themselves. Deputy Health Officer Wesley Williford says the virus is primarily spread through human contact with rodents, and families shouldn't allow the recent cruise ship incident to affect their summer plans.
I really don't think people have to have anything to worry about over the summer, especially traveling, even in cruises. I think that this is quite a rare situation that kind of came to happen.
In Birmingham, Bryce Oslin, WVTM 13.
And experts encourage you to social distance and be mindful of animals while traveling to prevent the spread. Despite increased demand for flu vaccines, it's not approved for treatment or prevention of hantavirus.